Well, particularly if you have a remote control, see, when that happens, you go to a different channel. And if you don't like that channel, you go to a different channel. And one of the reasons I can't own a TV is I've started having this thing where I've become convinced there's something really good on another channel and that I'm missing it. And so instead of watching, I'm scanning anxiously back and forth for this thing that I think I want that I don't even know what it is.
How much time do you spend doing this? According to a survey, the average smartphone user scrolls the equivalent of 78 miles a year.
Revealing the average person looks at a screen for 12.5 hours a day.
A larger data center to power AI requires us to spend millions of gallons of water per day.
An area of Amazon rainforest roughly the size of a football pitch is now being cleared every minute.
Between 2015 and 2025, we experienced the hottest 11 years on record.
Climate scientists say it's not just about numbers. Record-breaking heat keeps melting.
Artemis 2 now bound for the moon. Humanity's next great voyage begins.